fullest expression of yourself as a human being, I believe that's why we are all here in this moment. And everybody who is here has been called. There is a reason you are here. There is a reason you are here. And what you want is to, when you leave this plane, you leave this earthly plane, you want to be able to say, I did that thing. Nothing left to do, because I was able to fulfill the highest, the fullest expression of myself as a human being. Out of here. On to the next thing. That's what we hope this life class will be. So as I said, tonight's lesson can, if you let it, change your life exponentially. We're talking about living your life on purpose. Living your life on purpose. And if you're not doing that, you are really just wasting time. You just, you know, you're like treading. Instead of doing the breaststroke. You want a breaststroke. You want to glide. You want to flow, not just tread.